Symphony yield generating limit orders are now live on Polygon for our community. We will distributing retroactive SYM rewards for early users who create and execute orders. We're gonna do a how-to tutorial airdrop Symphony Finance because the market is going down and I prefer to click on a few buttons, pay a few pennies, and get paid 4, 5, or 6 figures. Hopefully, if you like what you see, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Let's get started with Symphony Finance airdrop tutorial. Let's go, yeah. So what do we have? Airdrop guide, Symphony Finance, link in the description. By the way, go follow this DeFi calendar, pretty awesome. It is uncommon to place a limit order in a DEX because most DEXs do not support it. There are projects like Gelado, did 7x, which allow users to place limit orders on DEXs. Projects we are going to cover today, Symphony Finance does the same thing with a twist. Not only can you place an asset on limit order with them, your asset will earn yield at the same time while waiting for the order to be filled. That's pretty cool. They call it the interest generating limit order Symphony. Interest generated limit order. They have just launched their mainnet on Polygon, okay, and has announced on Twitter that users who create and execute orders on the platform will receive their SYM token as a reward later. So it's already a done deal. All you have to do is interact with the protocol, pay a couple of pennies in fees in Polygon, not in Ethereum network. Wake up a couple of months from now and have $10,000 worth of coin in your account. Hopefully a lot more. Who knows? But it's free money. All it takes is about 10 minutes of your time. We already read that. This is the tutorial. We're gonna do a step by step. Getting started, switch to Polygon. Make sure you have $100 or above in one of the supported assets. Minimum trade size is $100. Very important. I have I don't know, 50 matic, 60 matic, something like that, or Ethereum, USDC, etc., etc. Head over to Symphony Finance. This is what we're gonna do next. To create an order, choose the input asset, choose the asset, choose the output. Basically, do a swap. That's all it is. Do 2 free swaps. I would do just one. Do 2 free swaps, and you're good to go. And just wait and forget about it. Forget about it. Fill the input. Minimum trade size $100. Set limit at rate. I'm gonna go over all these steps. If the price is above the limit, the order will be filled. Optional, you can also set a stop loss. If the output falls below, it will be filled. Stop loss is the minimum you'll receive. Don't enter a price. Click confirm MetaMask, and basically they're showing us a nice picture. Half Ethereum, at rate of wow, is half Ethereum 3,100? How much is Ethereum? 6,000? When did they do this video? Okay. Step 2, this is what you will see after your order. You see this order, you're getting like a yield of 1.15% on a limit order on a DEX, which doesn't exist. This is what you will see after your order has been placed. So he did Ethereum to USDC, he sold 1. Okay, so he received $310. So Ethereum was 3,100 when they do this video. Stop loss 300, that's cool, right? After, it's gonna basically show sold. Here's the date. They already done it in September. There's not a coin yet, and we're still eligible, hopefully, because the coin is not live. Maybe this month, maybe next. Time sensitive, I don't know. Executed. We're gonna do this. Step 3. That's all. If you find any bugs, please report them. So let's get to it. Okay. So this is the website, polygon.symphony.finance, link in the description. Let me do a quick side note, guys. If you see a coin, regardless of all the airdrops that we're trying to do, okay, you love my side notes, as far as I know from the comments. If you get an airdrop, great. But if you interact with the protocol and you like what you see, I need to use a DEX. I need to use a DEX if I'm a day trader, which I'm not, but let's say I am. and there's no limit order. This one gives me a limit order and pays me to do a limit order on the DEX on Polygon. Sign me up. And you saw the gelato one, the one that they compared, they did a 7x from day one. So if you get an airdrop, think, hey, should I dump it for Ethereum or USDC right now, or maybe hold it for 7x, free money times 7? How crazy is that? So that's good. That's a side note. So let's actually do the trade. This project is audited. Use it at your own risk. So what are we gonna do? I have about for this tutorial 60 matic and a little bit of ETH. So I'm gonna take 60 matic, 63. How much is 63? Let's do 60, and I'm gonna $108. So it says to change over 100. Okay, rate. Leave it alone. Just leave it alone. It's gonna fill automatically. Let's change it to do something exotic. Let's change matic to Bitcoin, so they won't say it's a wash trade or something. Getting 0.002 Bitcoin at least with a stop loss. Order is 0% above market. Okay. Order history. Before we click, you see I've already done a couple of trades. This one cancel, this one cancel, cancel, cancel. Where's the execute? So I did 2 trades already. 60 matic yesterday, matic to ETH. Okay, just to see how it works. And also this one executed 101 matic also to Aave. So let's change matic to Bitcoin. But that's it, and do 2 free trades just to generate a little volume, and you will be eligible according to this. That's all it does. Let's click place, see how much we're paying. Execution reverted. Stop loss amount should be less than the amount executed. Interesting. Because it's pretty volatile. Stop loss at 75. Okay, because Bitcoin is going down as we speak a lot. The market is crashing today. It's a good thing. It's a good thing because I see all those projects are building on Arbitrum, Optimism, Layer 2, ZK Sync is coming to the game. It's a good thing. Retail is getting flushed out. I am retail. Don't get flushed out. Think which products are going to dominate 2022. 60 matic, 0.08. That's all it costs you. It costs you 8 cents of matic. Okay, I don't know how much is that, less than a penny, a couple of pennies. And if this gives you 3, 4, 5, or 6 figures, so be it. Click confirm. I mean, what's there to think about? Click confirm. It's placing. Let's wait a few seconds. I'll get back to you. Okay, this is the order. Rep matic to rep BTC, sell 60 matic, receive 0.002 free Bitcoin, yield earn. You're also earning yield in rep matic plus extra rep matic on Aave. I don't know how, I don't ask questions. This is pretty awesome. Use the protocol, not every second, like use 2 free trades, but don't do it like, don't from one to other, then USDC die, USDC die. Don't do that. It's like a wash trade. It's gonna maybe flag your MetaMask or something. And that's basically it. That's all you gotta do. Just do a couple of trades and maybe we'll be eligible for, I don't know, $10,000 worth of Symphony Finance in a couple of months, and that coin will do 7x. And I will see you on the next time, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.